let's unbox. This is a $5 GorillaPod for a smartphone. It's cheap and can help a lot of beginner YouTubers and mobile photographers. The build is very poor, but it's good for the price. It has rubber pads on each legs, which will hold it steady on smooth surfaces. There is a small quick release plate, and I found that sometimes the lock cannot hold the weight of some heavy smartphones. For the price, it's a good product, but it would be better to spend some extra cash and get something better.
They won't find us, cause we'll be long gone. They can all eat our dust.
So that's it guys. If you like my video, give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Raise your eyes up to the sky. Now we are alive.